Diaz is taking my car to his house to work on it. And there she goes. You say you might finish it by tomorrow. If not 2 days, that's pretty fast. So now let's bring the S2000 in here. The S2K's first time in the garage. Welcome home. Well, your temporary home. This belongs to the Z. Will always belong to the Z. Z comes first, even if I had a child. I'm just kidding. The windows roll up so smooth in this car. So much room in here still. Like on the sides, like it's not as wide as the Z, so it's, or as long maybe. Just the front end's really long. So I go to bed and we'll pick up the Z in about 1 or 2 days, and then I'll pick up the camera again. We'll see how it is with the dual pump. Ready to go. What's up, guys? So last time I went to the dyno, there was this guy. His name is Samir, if I said it right. He said he's a really huge fan of the channel and everything, and he wanted to ride in the Z, but there was too much going on that day and it was really hot and I had to leave to work, so I couldn't give him a ride. So I told him to meet me down here where I live if he wants, and I can give him a ride around in the Z. We're also going to surprise one of my subscribers too. This kid's like a huge fan of the channel too, and it turns out it's my friend Jose's little cousin. His name's Joel and he loves the Z, so we're going to go surprise him later on. Just tell him to meet us somewhere close to where he lives, and then I'm just gonna pop up, and then we're gonna go take him for a spin too. Today is all about making someone's day. So it should be fun. What's up, dude? Oh yeah. Let me park real quick, okay. And then so you can get in right now. All right, for sure. Now you just want it to be in the center of your stomach. And then it'll go on the side there, and then you'll just pull the straps with this one on both sides, so it's even, you know, on both sides, right, to the center. And then this one is the same thing. This one's the main strap here to loosen. You just do it like that, and then just pull. Cool. And then you'll just pull down the straps to tie yourself in. That's crazy, right? Oh, I gotta air up a little bit, I forgot. So is there any way you can move this a little bit back or not? No, that's the most, dude. Yeah, is there anything on your feet? No, I was wondering because this is this part, but that's good. No, that's good, bro. No, you're good. I know. How tall are you? Like 6'2", 6'1", around there. Yeah. Try that for now and see if we scrape. Hope not, yeah. I'm a bit kind of heavy too. That's all good. Whenever I have anyone in here out there, except my girlfriend, because she weighs like 120 pounds. Must be nice, I weigh like 130 pounds, so I haven't driven this car in like a week, so. Really? Yeah, it always feels weird every time I drive this one, because I'm driving the S2000, it's so easy to drive. And I get in this one, I forget how hard it is to drive it. Especially the clutch and everything, huh? Yeah, it's so stiff. Imagine. So I feel all confident when I get in here, like it's the S2000, and I let go of the clutch and it just like starts shaking. I'm gonna put down the boost a little bit just because I still have it up from last time. Alright. I was racing Jose. How much do you usually put down for the boost? I keep it between 14.5 and like 17. So right now I'm gonna put it at like 15, 14.5. How's your fuel pump? Give you any problems to do one? No, it's really good. I mean, I haven't really driven it yet. Should we gap him? Let's go. This is pulling so much.
scratches or anything. It's so like tripping. Yours is more than it too. So I'm only on stainless steel. No, I'm on ISR.
Oh, okay.
So I'm stainless steel. So like this is it's supposed to be a lot louder too.
Yeah.
I felt that too.
That thing was being crazy.
Hey, that's sick. Brake boosting?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. It was like so like fast. I wasn't even preparing for it. I wasn't even ready at all. That's only on 14 though.
Yeah, it was 14.
That was so weird. It was. I never felt that before.
Yeah, dude. I'm telling you, it feels like you're floating. It feels like this, like the whole body is like.
Oh jeez.
It's crazy.
He even likes it too. You might sell it though.
The only cool Tesla owner.
Gets old.
Even for me, it never gets old. It's still so fun. See Jose, but not his cousin. Where's your cousin?
Robin?
Where's your cousin?
He's gonna be here in a bit. Somewhere.
Dude, I was expecting him to be here so I can pull up.
Me too. That's what I was like. Oh.
Should I leave and come back?
If you want, you could just chill up there
and text me when he's here.
Yeah. He says he's barely on his way. He lives like literally in the neighborhoods over here.
So I should go up that way then?
Yeah.
Okay then. Alright, I'll be back.
What are we?
You're gonna die. So, David, I didn't know you were gonna show up.
Oh, you didn't?
David, nice to meet you.
Hi.
I'm David.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Hi. I like your helmet. Wanna go for a ride? Yeah?
He's all scared now.
I'll pass out.
You like it? Thank you. Alright, and then this one here, and then it goes on this side. And then pull the other strap on the side with the little thing.
Yep.
The other one. That one, pull it. To where it's tight, to where you feel like it's comfortable.
Sorry.
And then this one here.
What the dude?
Put that one in there.
Real hard does it feel like?
Then you'll just pull these straps right here. Once you tie them, and then pull them down. Alright. You ready, dude?
I think.
Huh?
I think.
You nervous or?
Yeah.
You still watch the videos?
Every day, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude, thank you.
It already feels good.
Yeah? brakes were cooking right there. You smell them?
Yep.
That brake was hit, huh?
Yep.
I won't scare you anymore.
I'm all hot now.
Huh?
I'm all hot.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, do you like the little pull going down the hill so I can get it?
You hear that? Jose wants us to do another pull.
What the?
Okay. Alright, bye.
How'd it go?
Good, huh? I think he's gonna throw up. Woo, smells toasty. You don't wanna go?
If you don't, I'll take it.
We'll record it.
Excuse me! Don't go faster!
Bro, it's not even recording.
It's recording. It's recording.
Is it? You're being fine. You're good.
We'll just go up the street right here. You have these all the way down? These ones right here? Pull these ones right here? These ones? Pull them down? Yeah. That way it's tight.
Which way? This way?
We'll go left and then go this way. Oh, I love the water bottle up there, look. I should probably go take that off right now.
It's gonna burn.
Yeah, let me go take it off real quick. How did that feel?
I can't talk.
No?
That should feel good though.
It felt good? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Another one?
No. Okay.
Is she alive? I don't know. I think her soul left. I think her soul left and she's still here. Alright.
That just felt nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
No.
But did you die though? No.
You went too fast.
That was fun. I'm exhausted from all those rides. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video off there. That was a lot of fun. Shout out to Samir. I think that's how you say your name, right? I really hope I'm getting it right. Joel, and I think it was his sister. We've been driving the Z since 4 p.m. Or what time is it? We've been driving it since 4. And it's 8 o'clock, so we've been driving it for like 4 hours straight, just doing pulls and going up and down the roads. And I'm really happy I got to give people that experience that a lot of people wish for, you know. I know Samir really appreciated it. He's a really nice kid, and I'm glad I gave him a ride in it. He drove out, I think, like an hour and a half out here to get a ride. And Joel, he's been supporting me for such a long time, always commenting on the videos. So shout out to you, Joel. And then his sister too. She follows me on Instagram and she subscribed to the channel. So really glad I got to give people that experience, because I know it's something I would have loved to experience myself before I had a boosted Z. So being able to give that to someone else feels really good. And that's why we built this thing. We built this thing to have fun with it, and for me to enjoy it and share that with other people too. And that's all that matters to me. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and everything. I really appreciate it. I might end the video right here. Appreciate you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun with everyone. We'll maybe do this again sometime. We'll probably go out and surprise some of my other subscribers or people that really support me and stuff. It was fun and it makes me feel good, so we'll probably do it again later on. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe down below if you guys aren't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.